How to apply crypto loan on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can apply for crypto loan on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually apply for crypto loan on Binance, simply open up the Binance application there. Then once you launch the Binance app, from the very top of the search bar, simply type in something like loan. Then you'll find under functions something that says loans. Make sure to tap on it, and here you can see all the why use Binance loan stuff and all. So you can tap on the start borrowing option. Now you can select what do you want to borrow, so you can select the USDT or any of the currency, fiat currency or crypto that you want to borrow, as well as also the collateral amount that you would like to put it in the deposit section. Now you can agree to the terms and conditions, click and confirm, and follow on with the loan process. But to give you an idea, this is how you can apply for crypto loan on Binance exchange. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.